Hey everybody, so I am out running around today and I am stopping at Hobby Lobby, so we'll see what they have in there. I'm looking for those little mini flowers that I bought before because they fit perfectly on tags. I love them, so we'll see. All right, let's go. Well, Hobby Lobby doesn't look too terribly busy today, so we'll see. Well, who's ready for fall? Hobby Lobby is. Okay, everybody, checking out a brand new Dollar Tree. Never been here, so we're gonna go check it out. This is humongous. Seriously, it's so big. Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Oh, I forgot to turn my little lamps on, my little lanterns. Let's see, they're on blue. That works. How are you today? I hope you're doing good. I feel like I'm slanted. Let me check that camera. And I put it in your mind, and I like, oh, she's slanted. Anyway, thanks so much for joining today. I hope you've had a great day so far. I took a Saturday, so this will be Sunday's video, and I went to Hobby Lobby and to Dollar Tree, and then I went by Walmart to get groceries, and I had an appointment earlier, so it was a full day, and then I got a lot of stuff done before I even left the house, so I'm ready to go to bed now. No. Anyway, today we're having a Dollar Tree haul, a Hobby Lobby haul. And as you saw in the opening, I invited you in to see a few of the things. So I do want to let you know that at Hobby Lobby, we'll just do that first. I got this 2 pairs of these lamps, and I'll put the picture right here. And they're little lamps, and they were on half price, so they were $14 and something, and I haven't bought new lamps for my bedroom in forever. And these were so cute. They're kind of a bluish gray, and just a little lamp for the nightstand next to the bed. So I got 2 of those, and then let me show you what else I got. Of all the things that I do, I usually have my house pretty well decorated for seasons, and I haven't even done that. I've just been so focused on different things, especially crafting and junk journals and all that, that I really hadn't even redone my mantle since Christmas. Ooh. So there's really nothing up there. And so I am going to show you what I'm going to put up there, and I'll show you maybe at the end I can take a picture and see what you think, but hopefully it'll turn out the way that I'm picturing in my head. I just wanted to put some sayings up there, just some encouragement, some like affirmation, and just a little, just when I look at it, I just want to say yay. And don't forget the junk journal kit giveaway, May 1st video. Check it out. You can enter as many times as you want, as long as you go and just enter a comment on another junk journal video of mine. So anyway, check it out. I want you to participate. By the way, I should probably do this in a separate video. I can just keep talking. But the part of the giveaway is everybody that joins my Patreon and or my YouTube membership this month, I'm adding an item to the giveaways on both places. So make sure you check that out. All right. So as I said, they had all these all on sale. So this was really cute, and it says make good choices, $3.49, and this is something I say all the time. Well, since my son was little. Yeah. This was $2.49. It says love God and love others, which we do. And let's see, here's the next one. So I got a bunch of little, like I said, encouraging things. As far as anyone knows, we are a nice, normal family. $4.49. So all of these were pretty much 40% to 30 and to 50% off their regular price. And they had all their spring collection on sale as well. All right, so these are little scriptures, and you can flip it for the day. So I don't know if, hopefully it's the right way for you. So this one says, "Then sings my soul," Psalms 84:2. "Be still and know," Psalm 46:10. That's one of my favorites. "Love never fails." I love that too. 1 Corinthians 13:8. "Grace upon grace," John 1:16. And I think grace upon grace also in James 4 or 6. James 4. Anyway, all right. And then this one is really pretty for this one was $5.49, and then this one is $5.49 also, and it says, "I will always have hope." We don't ever want to lose our hope. You know, we want to always have hope. As long as we're breathing, there's hope. All right. This one was $3.99, and it says, "Love never fails." It has the little kickstand there. I love that. And then this one is $5.49. Also has the kickstand. It says, "Always choose kindness." Always be kind. So I love those. Then I thought, well, they're all low, and I may get some levels. I may do something with some books, maybe. That's a good idea. But then I got one big picture to go kind of in the background, and this was also 40% off. It's really, really pretty. So it was $13 or something, and it says, "Be somebody who makes everybody feel like somebody." I just think it'll all look really pretty together. And then maybe I'll put some books up there. I think that will look really, really nice. So anyway, I picked that up. The other item, I told you I wanted to find those little flowers, which I did. They didn't have very many left, but these were 40% off, so about $2. So these you get 50, I think, in. And I really love these little tiny flowers that are so pretty, and they look really nice on tags. The only other thing I picked up was for kids' church tomorrow, and it is a set of fabric paints. So I'll need that for them tomorrow. Let's see, make sure I got my receipt. All right, so save your wrapping paper. You can put them in junk journals. So we're gonna straighten those out, flatten those out. All right, we'll just set them over there. Okay. All right, then I went to Dollar Tree. Let me show you what I got at Dollar Tree. Since we're gonna do those, painting those shirts tomorrow, I got some little poster board. I didn't have enough cardboard to go between the shirt, you know, so that the paint doesn't go through. So I got that for them from Dollar Tree. And then, then I get little toys type of thing for the treasure chest, or little dollar candies, kind of like movie candies. And so then this is a squishy diamond. And I've seen this before, and I think I've even picked it up before. It's just kind of cool to squish it, right? I don't know. And then I usually get drink mixes and for flavoring drinks, but don't want to add sugar. So they can just drink plain water, or they can choose one of the mixes from the bucket. So we'll just put those back in there. Then I put like candies, like ring pops. I'll put some Smarties or something in there just to make it more fun and appealing. So they did have Alani New at Dollar Tree. Did you know they had that? This one is Tropsicle. So it looks like pineapple. It looks like a dreamsicle on there. So I haven't tasted this one. It's sort of an energy drink. Then these berries. I don't know if you had seen some of these different candies. This is a lemonade dots, and then this one. So anyway, got these for the kiddos, and we have fun going to the treasure chest. So that's a fun thing. Does anybody else have a treasure chest at their kids' church? All right. I also look for little toys for them. So I'll show you a couple things I got for me. And it's like these little tie babies that go on your like book bag or your backpack or notebook or something. Aren't they cute? They're little leopards, I think. Giselle, my birthday is May 12th. Oh, it's coming up, Giselle. This is Giselle. I guess they're both Giselle. Aren't they cute though? Makes me want to keep them actually, but I won't. I don't need any toys. I have enough with my junk journals, right? All right. Then they had an Apple to Apples Junior card game. How about that? I love miniatures. Do you guys like miniatures? I've been doing those miniature books. Those are cute. All right. The other thing that I got, and this is for my hubby in case he's watching. I hope he's not. This is a fill in the numbers book. He loves these more than the word ones. And he goes through the books, and that's kind of his pastime when his eye's not healing from surgery. And this is volume 5. So I don't think he has volume 5. I think he has 2, 3, 4, maybe 1. Then look what I found. An Alice in Wonderland coloring book, an activity book. So I thought, well, Alice in Wonderland coloring book, maybe some of these things could end up as part of my junk journal. And then I found a Winnie the Pooh book at Dollar Tree. Have you seen this one? I didn't even know that it was there. So this would make a cute journal. Really, really cute. So I might have to think about that. Then somebody asked me to do something with puzzle pieces. And I have some big puzzle pieces that I was going to do some frames for pictures for something. You could do that for Mother's Day. Maybe we should do that. But I picked up a box of 24. So these are bigger. And we're going to make some fun puzzle piece tags out of them. Or embellishments. You could use them for, you know, ephemera. I did find 2 stickers. This is the butterfly and the dragonfly. Now I do want to say, I went to a new Dollar Tree and it was humongous. Next. I'm just gonna get a bunch of stuff out. All right, so the kids are sponsoring a missions fundraiser dinner. So I got red tablecloths to go over the table. All right, that's my haul. What's your favorite? Or what do you want to see the most? I don't know. Probably, I love the Hobby Lobby stuff. I'm really eager to put that up. I probably need some caffeine, probably. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope I gave you a little chuckle. We all have to laugh at ourselves sometimes. And until next time, bye. I mean, it was an old Walgreens store and it was on a corner and, excuse me. Jeez. Oh, all right. That has to be a blooper. I cannot believe that I yawned while I'm filming.